The Cadillac Northstar water pump crossover. You got 8 13mm bolts. Biggest thing is you got to get to them, so you got to make yourself some room. So I've already taken off the throttle body, master cylinder, EGR hose. I've loosened the coolant hose going to it. There's 2 bolts down here you can't get to with an impact, so you have to do them by hand. They don't come all the way out. Here's the other 2. There she is. It'll take about 2 hours. There's quite a bit of stuff to remove to get to it, is the problem. So that's what it looks like when it's out. Thanks for watching, and I'll put any pertinent links in the description for you. Thank you. Have a good day.